CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
What's up, everybody? It's Car Help Out here. A simple way to get an independent, certified mobile mechanic service to come to you at any location at your convenience, either for pre-purchase used vehicle buying inspection, auto car repair, emergency roadside assistance, who can help you get back on the road again. And today we're talking Chevys. Listen, whether you're rolling in a Silverado, cruising in a Camaro, or getting around town in an Equinox, you know these beasts need some love to keep them running, right? We're talking peak performance, baby. Now, I'm all about saving you guys time and money, and that's why I'm pumped to break down the world of mobile Chevrolet mechanics. We're going to dive deep into why this might be the best option for your next oil change, brake job, or any other repair your Chevy might need. We're going to cover everything from finding the right mechanic to pre-purchase inspections, roadside assistance, common Chevrolet repairs, and I'm gonna give you some insider tips on how to keep your Chevy running smooth for years to come. So buckle up. Let's get this show on the road. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/car help out and get a relief under house burden.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, guys, let's talk about why you'd even want a mobile mechanic in the first place. I mean, we're used to taking our cars to the shop, right? But hold on, this is a whole different ball game. First off, think about the convenience factor. With a mobile mechanic, you're the boss. You choose where you want the work done. At home, at work, even at your buddy's place if you gotta. No more wasting time in some stuffy waiting room, man. You can kick back, relax, and keep doing your thing while they work on your ride. Second, let's talk about the cost savings. Dealerships and big shops gotta cover their overhead, which usually means you're paying a premium. Mobile mechanics, on the other hand, often have lower overhead, which translates to more savings for you. Plus, you can get multiple quotes easily and find the best deal. It's all about transparency and keeping more cash in your pocket. And finally, but definitely not least, you want a mechanic who knows your Chevy inside and out, right? Mobile mechanics who specialize in Chevys are going to have the experience and expertise to diagnose and fix any issue your car might have. They've seen it all, and they know exactly what to look for. It's like having your own personal Chevy doctor, but way cooler.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, guys, so you're thinking about buying a used Chevy, huh? That's awesome. But before you hand over your hard-earned cash, listen up. A pre-purchase inspection is an absolute must-do. Trust me, it could save you thousands in the long run. Think about it like this. You're about to drop a good chunk of change on a car. You want to make sure it's mechanically sound, right? A pre-purchase inspection is going to give you a complete rundown of the car's condition, from the engine and transmission to the brakes and suspension. They're going to check the engine and transmission for any leaks, weird noises, or anything that just doesn't seem right. They'll inspect the brakes, make sure the suspension is in good shape, and even check the battery and electrical system. And don't forget about computer scans. These can reveal hidden problems that a visual inspection might miss. Now, the best part about a pre-purchase inspection is that it gives you leverage. If the mechanic finds any issues, you can use that information to negotiate a better price or walk away from a bad deal. Knowledge is power, my friends. And you know what's even better than a pre-purchase inspection at a shop? A mobile one. That's right, you can have a mechanic come to the seller's location and do the inspection right there on the spot. It's super convenient and saves you even more time. So bottom line, if you're serious about buying a used Chevy, don't skip the pre-purchase inspection. It's an investment that can save you a whole lot of headaches down the road.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, let's face it. Breakdowns happen. It doesn't matter if you're rocking a brand new Chevy or a trusty old workhorse, you could find yourself stranded on the side of the road at any moment. But don't freak out. That's where Chevrolet Emergency Roadside Assistance comes in. Think of it as your personal pit crew, ready to roll 24/7, no matter where you are. Flat tire, they got you covered. Dead battery, they'll jump start you in a flash. Out of gas, they'll bring fuel straight to your location. Locked out of your car, don't worry, they can handle that too. They're like the superheroes of the automotive world. Now, I know what you're thinking. Chris, roadside assistance, that's got to be expensive, right? Well, here's the thing. Some manufacturers include a certain amount of roadside assistance with the purchase of a new Chevy. And even if yours doesn't, you can usually add it to your insurance policy for just a few bucks a month. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind, knowing that help is just a phone call away. But here's the thing about Chevrolet's roadside assistance. They don't just send any random tow truck driver. They use certified technicians who are trained to work on Chevys. That means you can be confident that your car's in good hands and that they'll get you back on the road as quickly and safely as possible. So next time you're hitting the road, make sure you've got Chevrolet's roadside assistance in your back pocket. Trust me, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Okay, guys, let's get real for a minute. Even the toughest Chevys need a little TLC. Regular maintenance keeps your ride smooth. First up, brakes, squealing or grinding. Get them checked. Safety first. Next, the battery. Test it regularly to avoid being stranded. Slow crank or dim lights. Check the battery. Oil changes are essential. They keep your engine running smoothly. And don't forget the suspension. Rough ride? Check shocks and struts. A worn suspension affects handling. Lastly, the AC and heating system. Extreme temperatures? Ensure they work. Chevrolet Mobile Mechanics can handle these repairs. They come to you for convenience.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
All right, guys, by now, you're probably convinced that a mobile mechanic is the way to go. But how do you find a good one? Well, I'm going to give you my pro tips for finding the best mobile Chevrolet mechanic in your area. First things first, look for certifications. You want a mechanic who's ASE certified and has experience working on Chevys specifically. This shows that they've met industry standards and know their stuff when it comes to your car. Next, check out those online reviews. Websites like Yelp and Google are gold mines of information. See what other Chevy owners are saying about their experiences with different mobile mechanics in your area. And don't be afraid to ask about warranties. A reputable mechanic will stand behind their work and offer a warranty on parts and labor. This gives you peace of mind, knowing that you're covered if anything goes wrong. Here's a big one. Get quotes from multiple mechanics before making a decision. This allows you to compare prices and find the best deal. And make sure those quotes include everything: parts, labor, and any additional fees. No surprises. Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off or you're not comfortable with a particular mechanic, don't hesitate to look elsewhere. Remember, guys, finding a trustworthy mobile mechanic can save you time, money, and a whole lot of headaches down the road. So do your research, ask questions, and choose wisely.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
And there you have it, folks. We've covered a ton of ground today, from the benefits of mobile mechanics to common Chevrolet repairs and how to find the best mechanic for your needs. Remember, guys, regular maintenance and smart repairs are key to keeping your Chevy running smoothly for years to come. Don't wait until there's a problem to start taking care of your ride. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, keep those Chevys shining and stay safe out there. CarHelpo.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic auto car repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
CarHelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.